Hey everyone, and so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to delete your search history on Offerup. So if you're looking at how to delete your search history on Offerup, then this video is for you. What you want to do first is open up your Offerup app. You're going to land on a home page that looks like this, okay? So it's a bunch of items. Now, in the search bar where it says search items for sale, you're going to click on that. And as you can see, these are all the items that I recently started searching, okay? So these are all my recent searches. In order to delete your search history on Offerup, it's very, very simple. All you have to do is on the right-hand side where you see the X's, just simply click on the X's and it's gonna be deleted from your search history. So as you can see, I'm deleting all my searches that I've made for quite some time now. Let's say I want to delete the shower head, then I want to delete the companion pet. This is a really easy way to actually delete your search history, which is by clicking on the X's. And so if you're looking to kind of buy a gift from Offerup, but you don't want anyone to know, or your spouse or family member, etc., and they also use the same Offerup account, this is where this is going to come in handy. But as you can see all my recent searches here on Offerup. I hope you found this video helpful. This is how to delete your search history on Offerup. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, do leave them down below.